Welcome back to Being Talk About channel. Hi, see you again with me, Andrew. This time we will discuss a bot that can boost the performance of your TikTok account. Keep listening and don't go anywhere. There are a lot of things people are talking about out there. As for us, let's start from here. Growing a large TikTok audience is easier said than done. And for some users, they're trying to take a shortcut with the viral TikTok Share bot. Any social media app can be used to build a following. Some people use Twitter, others use Snapchat, and some folks have a lot of success with Instagram. This is also an area where TikTok has been immensely popular. TikTok's content algorithms drive viewers to just about everyone, leading many TikTok users to get thousands, if not millions of views despite not being able to get much traction on competing apps. But not everything is a piece of cake. While you may get one or two videos that go viral on TikTok, maintaining that momentum and continuing to grow your audience is where things get tricky. That's where the TikTok Share bot comes into play. As of April 2022, TikTok is flooded with people showing how to rack up hundreds, thousands, and millions of shares with the TikTok Share bot website. The more shares a video has, the more likely it is to be seen by other people on TikTok. And the more people that see your videos, the more likes and followers you stand to gain. If you want to use the TikTok Share bot for yourself, doing so is surprisingly simple. Just hop on your computer, find the Share bot on the Replit website, enter the video link, and enter how many shares you want. The video is instantly flooded with share after share, increasing the chances of how many people will see it. If the TikTok Share bot sounds too good to be true, that's because it kind of is. On a technical level, the Share bot is doing exactly what it advertises. Your videos do get a tremendous number of shares, but those shares come from randomly generated bots, not real people. So while your videos are getting shared, those shares aren't legitimate. Is that risk worth it? It almost definitely isn't. If TikTok catches a video with 200,000 shares and only a couple hundred views, that's a sure sign that someone used a Share bot on it. And as Share bots get more and more popular, that only alerts TikTok to be more aware of people trying to game the system. The prospect of instantly getting millions of shares on a video sounds appealing, but unless you want to end up on TikTok's bad side, you're better off ignoring the Share bot and building your audience the honest way. But if you want to test the TikTok Share bot, then please try it. I will give the tutorial, but at your own risk, okay? Open your browser and type replit.com. Click on the three line on bottom left-hand corner and sign up. Click Next. Click on Skip. Now click on three lines on upper right-hand corner. Click on Community option. On search bar, type TikTok Share bot. Click on the first link. Click on Run. Wait as it's loading. Go to your TikTok and copy a link of the video you want to increase shares. Paste the link or type the link here by keeping the link in notes. Click on Enter. Enter amount of INF. Then click on Enter. Enter amount of thread number. Now, you can see the bot share generating. Finish. Use it wisely and all the risks I have said before. Good luck. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.